In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple pages in one file. This is a very useful skill when you are creating documents that need more than one page, such as reports, assignments, letters, or any long written content. Make sure to follow along closely so everything makes sense as we go through the process step by step. To begin, open WPS Office on your device. Once it opens, take a moment to look at the main interface so you feel comfortable navigating around. From there, go to the Documents section. This is where text files are created and edited. Inside the Documents section, open a new file by choosing a blank template. This gives you a clean page where you can start working freely. After the blank document opens, adjust the font size to something larger so it is easier to see while typing. Once the font size is set, begin typing your first paragraph. This paragraph will be placed on the first page of your file. As you type, notice the layout of the page. When you press the Enter key and continue writing, you will start to see lines appear on the page. These lines include both horizontal and vertical guides. They are visual indicators that help you understand where one page ends and another begins. The moment you reach the bottom of the first page and press Enter, the content moves down and a new page is created automatically. Now, scroll down slightly. You will see the same lines appear again, showing that a second page has started. This means your document now has more than one page all within the same file. At this point, type your second paragraph. This content will stay on the second page separate from the first paragraph. As you continue pressing Enter and moving downward, the document will keep creating new pages as needed. When you reach the end of the second page and continue typing, a third page will appear. You can type another paragraph there and name or format it however you like. This process repeats naturally, allowing you to create multiple pages without needing to open a new file. All of these pages remain part of one single document, making it easy to organize, edit, and share your work. Once you are finished, you can save the file and share it anywhere you need, whether for school, work, or personal use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.